first video I filmed with my wife in the kitchen ever. So we're gonna be making a matcha granola based off of Sanne's original recipe that went viral like 5 years ago.
It might have been even already 6 or something, yeah.
Well, we've been together a while.
A long time ago.
Long time.
But we still love making granola so much at home. Your house smells amazing. It's so easy to do.
We need to make sure that the matcha is whisked really well into the coconut oil. We melted the coconut oil on purpose before. And after that, we're gonna put it into the hazelnuts that we ground down. And then we'll add that to the oats. Because we wanna make sure that the matcha is protected from burning, because otherwise it'll change to like a brown color.
Yeah, when you just add your matcha into it, it just becomes a little bit clumpy. We have some creamy almond butter. This is our absolute favorite one. Riverview Orchard, so good. You can also use a cashew butter or anything. The fat will actually help bring out a lot of the flavors because salt adds flavor to a dish, but also fat. So adding a little almond butter is really amazing. We're also going to add some honey. As the base, we're using oats. You can also get these gluten-free. We have some hazelnuts, some pumpkin seeds, obviously matcha, coconut oil, cinnamon, and then after everything's done, we'll add the coconut. We're not baking that because otherwise it will burn with everything.
We always need salt.
And a pinch of salt, a little extra touch.
So first you're gonna wanna add your matcha, and I would recommend melting the coconut oil first so that you can make almost like a little paste with the actual matcha. And make sure when you're putting it into the coconut oil, since it's something that you can't really use a normal bamboo whisk, that you sift it into there. So it's actually finely ground in there. There we go. All right, so now once you have the matcha sifted into the coconut oil, you wanna just start mixing it in there. Here is you're gonna wanna add hazelnuts. So we pre-ground these hazelnuts, and usually I would roast them before putting them in here, but since it's gonna go in the oven, we thought that would be enough.
So now we have our big bowl. I'm going to add the oats in here. Then I'm going to add the pumpkin seed. We're gonna add some cinnamon. Now you can put the green stuff, your green mixture in there.
Again? Thank you, chef. Okay, here we go.
Wow, look at that color. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of almond butter to it. Yeah.
The autumn harvest.
Wow. I'm also gonna add a little pinch of salt to it. There we go. Just mix it and stir it so the whole matcha mixture and the oil is all over. We have a baking sheet here. It just makes it easier so it doesn't get like sticky, and also makes the whole cleaning of your baking sheet so much easier. Some matcha granola. And you want to make sure there's a lot of space or room between and it's not too clustered. This way it can become really nice and crunchy.
Am I helping?
Yes, you do. And I'm just like spreading it out. And then while we're gonna bake it, you wanna make sure to set a timer halfway through to give the granola a nice little stir. This way each side of the granola gets baked evenly and it becomes really nice and crunchy. So let's bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit, and then halfway through, around like 12 minutes, flip it around.
So guess what? Sanne had this idea that we should melt down our chocolate and make chocolate chips for the granola.
Okay, the granola is ready. So we're gonna get our hands on.
I was saying about green color, it didn't really turn out that way.
It has a little green touch to it.
There's a little green touch to it. I'm gonna pour some chocolate on there. So our matcha granola is finished, and Sanne's gonna help me plate this. We're gonna make a little granola bowl with some yogurt.
The eye eats first, so there we go. Got a plain cute. We have some Greek yogurt with our matcha granola chocolates and then some strawberries on it.
So if you enjoyed me getting lessons on how to cook in the kitchen by my wife, leave us a comment down below. Let us know what else we should cook, and we hope to see you in the next videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Ciao!